right? Because this is like very janky and the images get moved around and like, so in Notion, ChatGPT what came back and said like we can probably do something like this in Notion. So is there a way to replicate what's here in Google Sheets, but have a section where like let's say it's just like insert image here, and every time we insert the image, it's just like the same it's the same size. So like it never changes. Because the problem is, again, like in Notion, it's tough to we just want to replicate this exact thing in Notion, basically. But we need to see it visually. Like I don't want to have to look and like open up a part or like things like that, you know? Is there any way to do it or no?
Yes, in Notion we have a two option. First is we can upload a picture. So when you select the picture, so it will open in full like this picture. And second, we can set up this in calendar view, but it will not help you. Like, can I show?
But the problem, yeah, because like the problem is like I don't want to have to click into anything to see the picture. Like ideally, you know what I mean? Like ideally each picture was the same size and we would just upload it and it would just show up and show up and show up, right?
Yes, that is possible. I want to show you on.
Yeah, yeah. Show me something, boss. Show me something.
Perfect, no problem. Let me open my. So, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here. Like here I have put my personal data with picture. Like here I have upload this picture. So when I click here, so then it will be open in this format. When I open again, so then it will be in the main format. That is possible. If you can send me one picture.
Wait. Show me again. Show me again.
Okay, Adam, can you send me one picture, original picture in your site? So I want to upload on Notion and show you live.
Yeah, just use a random photo. It doesn't matter. Like just to show me an example.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but that's the problem. See, it's too small. Like it's too small when it's like this. I want the picture to kind of show up big like that or like that always. So we don't have to click into it. That's the problem. It's too small here.
But when you click here, double click, so it will be like a full picture. It will
I know, but we can't have that though. Because you don't understand. We have to look at hundreds, like we have to look at 50 pictures at once. I don't want to have to click in, right? That's the issue we're having. So is there a way maybe if you made this thing bigger or you know what I mean? Like what if this was made taller?
yeah, that is possible. We have another option, gallery view. Like we,
Sort of show me this?
yes, I can show you. Let me check out. Just wait. Tomorrow, last day, I have set up one of my clients. So let me show you screen again and show you how it will be look. Let me open. It is just loading, so wait few seconds. I want to show you live like how it will be show. Even I am using Notion last 4 years. Stand away. Let me which one? Okay, Rush Media, maybe this one, Rush Media. In this way we can show in the original format.
Well, yeah, but is it going to be able to be grid style like I have?
Yes, that's looking good, and you can easily trace your picture and show the fully resolution. You can see this is looking good. We can manage your all pictures in this format, and we have another format like gallery view, and the second option we have this. Which one do you prefer?
Okay, so just to show you, Ahmed, like the problem is the first one you showed me, I like it, but it's too small, right? Like ChatGPT said we could make it in a style like this, like, but it needs to have like this format, right? Like, you know, the grid style in each one with an ability to put a photo and then a CPL. So, you know, the second one you showed me, you think you'd make it like this? Because ChatGPT said they could make it like this.
Then we can show it similar in gallery view format. Do you know about gallery format in Notion?
No, 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 sir. Show me what you got.
Okay, let me check out. Okay, let me. Like here, I need to create a gallery format.
Hmm.
Okay, testing, new page, upload new page, upload a picture, add cover and something. If I add cover, change cover, click upload, upload file. This one.
Let's see what you got, boss.
Yes, just wait few seconds. I am going to prepare it according to need. Then go me on the setting. Gallery view, ClickUp page, page page cover. Okay, and okay, and like here we can see this picture. Then if we want to add some number, here I can put the number 12, adds more like number.
Ah,
This
oh, no, man.
just wait. Twelve, 50, 20. Where I go here, I show the visibility and show all. Okay, and just this one. Adam, let's suppose this is your picture, and we can saw the number in this format.
That's okay. But then what about the like let me send you the photo again, like in in the Zoom chat, right?
Okay.
Like look at that image. We want to get it. What about the parts above it, right?
Mhm. Download it. Keyword image. So here I am going to upload your image. Like here I can.